We are going to show you how to cook salmon rice with teriyaki sauce. It is quick and simple to prepare, but is super delicious. We will first cook the teriyaki sauce, then pan fry the salmon fillet, and finally put everything together for a delicious meal. Here are the ingredients for the teriyaki sauce. We have half a bowl of light soy sauce, 1 bowl of water and mirin mixture, 1 smashed garlic, and 1 slice of ginger. Put all the ingredients in a saucepan and bring it to a simmer. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. And continue to simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes. Mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to a tablespoon of water. Add this into the saucepan to thicken the sauce. This is the consistency which we are looking for. This is how we pan fry the salmon fillet. This is 1 slice of salmon. We like to cut it into thin slices as we love the crisp golden brown crust from searing the salmon in a hot pan. Coat the salmon fillet with a tablespoon of cornstarch. In a hot pan, pan fry the fillet until golden brown. Flip over and fry the opposite side briefly, just enough to cook through the salmon. There is no need to brown the opposite side. Fry in batches. Salmon contains high level of omega-3 fatty acids, which is good for the heart and brain. It is also loaded with many nutrients and is rich in high-quality protein. It is therefore a nutrition powerhouse for everyone. To ensure that we have a balanced diet, we like to add some shredded lettuce to the meal. We are now ready to put everything together. On a plate of rice, put a few pieces of salmon, some lettuce, teriyaki sauce, and a teaspoon of mayonnaise. Mix everything together. This is absolutely delicious. Please try it and share the video with your family and friends.